Hello, my name is Tanya. I'm with Midwest Language Services, and in this video you're going to learn about how to use intonation in questions when you're offering a choice. So intonation is the music of language. It talks about the rising and falling sounds in a language. So let's begin. Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like cream or sugar? Would you like Coke or Pepsi? Do you live in Indianapolis or Cincinnati? Are you going to Florida or California? In these questions, we're offering two choices, A or B. And in between those two choices, we have or, and so everything before or has a rising intonation, and everything after it has a falling intonation. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for joining me. Again, my name is Tanya with Midwest Language Services. Thank you.